It's really early in the morning. Good morning, you lovely people. It's really early in the morning, and we are out to explore a new place. It's weekend time, so let's go ahead and check out a beautiful place that you can go with your family. So it's 5:30 in the morning, and we're trying to leave the city before the traffic kicks in. We're traveling close to 40 kilometers towards north, and trying to capture some beautiful scenery out there. Let's see if we can capture the sunrise. But what I got to know that this place has some lovely vistas, and let's see if we can capture that out today. Now, ideally, what I would have liked is someone sitting beside me and taking my video, because that becomes a lot more easier. There's someone to help you in the setting, and you can focus on where you're going, and you can focus on driving, and the journey becomes more enjoyable because there's someone you can talk to. But at this point of time, since I'm all alone, let's enjoy the weekend. So where we are going today is a place called Thapli Nature Camp, and along with that there's another place that we're going. It's a village called Mandana, and what I've heard that this village has beautiful scenery and beautiful views. There's a viewpoint, and this is bordering Himachal. We're not in Himachal, we're actually in Haryana, and because it's bordering Himachal, you can see the ranges from here, and it's got a beautiful vista. So while we drive and reach to that place, let's explore the beautiful road. I'm actually crossing a wildlife sanctuary, and see, there was a board that there could be deers and there could be some leopards. Not sure what I would see today, but the road is really awesome. You should check it out. When I am traveling, I like to explore new places, historical places, something that I have not explored till now. And if at all the place is really awesome, I would definitely go again. Write in your comments and do let me know what type of places do you like to explore, and we'll try and cover some places that are of interest to you and where you can go out. So while I'm driving, I may not be able to make full eye contact with you because I'm driving and vlogging together. Spare me for that. But while we reach the destination, I'm sure I'll show you some great scenery around. And we are here. We've reached our destination in little above an hour. We've reached the Thapli Nature Camp. The drive was wonderful, beautiful scenery, forest cover all across. Let's look at what this site has to offer. Well, due to lockdown, the nature camp was closed, and that was a surprise because most of the things have now opened. But what I did manage to do is take my drone inside and take a few shots. And the entrance looked really beautiful because it's got a well cemented path leading up to the forest area and a lot of trees. Let's look at what are the activities inside. Well, the nature camp is now under the forest department
it does hold a lot of educational tools because it's got a lot of medicinal trees. It also is famous for ecotourism, and you've got cottages to stay in there.
So I've just been told that there's a nice river flowing around. There's a bridge from where you can go down and check out the clean river. Since we are here, let's go and explore that too. Why not utilize the time? Well, with these kind of roads, who wouldn't want to go on a trip daily? We covered a wetland last week, and this week we've primarily covered a forest. Do let me know in the comments what would you want me to cover in my next vlog, and we'll try and take care of that.
Well, we are now back to the city after a truly refreshing drive. Do write in your comments and let me know your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Do give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Till then, take care from Vlogger on Wheels.